Today I'll give you a tutorial of AnyBiz AI SDR, guiding you through onboarding and also explaining all the features. When you sign up, your onboarding starts. You have to pick your LinkedIn profile, and then AnyBiz will scrape all the information about your company, yourself, the products you're selling, and such. You confirm your company website, your role. AnyBiz will draft your product descriptions, pain points, proof points, and all of this stuff. So you can just look at it, edit it, and continue. You also have a tab to mention your current clients to help AnyBiz determine your ICP. You also have to share your unique selling point. And also you need to add the roles you're targeting, your ICP roles. So are you targeting CMOs, CEOs, managers, whatever. Once you do that, you add your booking link, and that's the onboarding. Now AnyBiz will take a little bit of its time to set up domains and mailboxes for you. And of course, automatically scrape leads and contact them based on the information you provided. After your onboarding, you'll see this interface. I suggest to simply start with suggestions. First, you want to add and update your DNC list, basically adding competitors, domains, and people you don't want to reach out to. Then you also can add notifications to get an email every time a lead has done something. For example, if AI cannot answer the questions no more and needs your help, right? Interference by you'll get notified by WhatsApp, SMS, or email. You also set up your website visitors to actually see who's visiting your website. Super simple, probably just pasting the tracking code into every page of your site into HTML, I think. You can also add more personas. The first one was created on your onboarding, which you can always add more. So I'll show that in a bit. And lastly, share your customers' lifetime value. So you could keep track of the opportunity value, right? So you could add whatever, 1,000, right? And I currently had 0 opportunities, so it's 0. So now let's go into configurations. Here's where you'll manage everything: your personas, your offerings, that's like your pitch, your messaging tone, everything. So the persona that you have created. Here you'll see the first persona, right? You can see the number of prospects that match your persona, as well as add a new persona. And adding a new persona is just as simple as it gets. You select again who you're targeting, their management level, number of employees, locations, industry, keywords in the industry, technologies used by the company. For example, AWS, are they using TikTok for social media marketing? Perhaps you want some funding and target some recently funded companies. And yeah, you add these filters, and that's it. You'll have a new persona made for you. As you can see, on default, if you have no filters, you can reach almost 300 million leads. In your offerings tab, you'll see what AnyBiz made for you after the onboarding. All of this is made by it. So as you can see, it generated description of the offer, the problems the product is solving, the unique selling point. Of course, you can edit all of this. As you can see, you can edit all of this, or just link your company. So AnyBiz would generate the offer again, right? And in the messaging tab, you can see an example of the message AnyBiz would send for you. So for example, how it works is you can select what the type of message you want an example of. So email introduction, which is the first message, email follow-up, or LinkedIn message, and then you select your offer. So basically, let's say we have at Salesforge a couple of products. We have InfraForge, which is the infrastructure for your cold email. We have WarmForge, right? So you create a couple of different offerings because you offer different products, and you can select them here. And then you select the persona, basically whoever you're targeting, right? And this will determine the message, because the message is built on two things. Whatever you're offering, it's personalized based on your offer and on your persona. So whoever your targeted lead is, right? It scrapes data about them and personalizes based on that data. You can select the language, of course, a lot of tones that you want: luxury, casual, inspirational. Add your own call to action. As you can see, you can add custom. You can add custom here. You can add your signature, and of course, populate some proof points or case studies to leverage that as well. And additional instructions if you don't want for AnyBiz AI agent to use certain words, or if you want each email to be ended with a compliment or whatever, you add these things here, and then the AI agent will follow these things. So your set rules. So simple as that. And of course, you go to adjustments. You can adjust whether or not the AI agent stops or keeps talking to your prospect if something happens. For example, if the prospect requires for a pricing, do you let your AI agent handle that? Or do you want to turn this on so the AI agent reaches out to you via WhatsApp, SMS, or email so you could take over and handle the pricing objection or something? So you can adjust that, right? And you'll see everything in your inbox. So Anybiz just sent one email for us after my signing up yesterday. Of course, I did a terrible job adding prompts and information about my company. I just quickly want to film a video. But here's what it came up with. It made an email for me completely for free. It made an email for me and it already started sending out emails. And it sent out, I'm pretty sure, 36, and it got one reply, which is not that bad, right? Without even any warm-up period waiting or anything. So as you can see, I already got a reply which was not interested, but if it were interested, the AI could keep following you up, handling objections, answering questions, or hand it over to me. As you can see here, you have all the other type of messages, unread, starred, opportunities. Basically, you also have messages perhaps here where they're waiting for your interference. So if AI hands it over to you, you'll come here, you'll see all the messages and you'll be able to reply to the prospect, right? If you scroll down below, below the dashboard, you'll see all the people that AI agent has reached out to. You can see the information about them, where it was reached out to, when, view activity. As you can see what email was sent. You'll see the follow-ups in the future. You can generate a unique landing page or stop communication. You see their company, their role, their name. You can also identify website visitors if you actually add the code to your website that was provided by Anybiz. And of course, brand awareness. And that's most of the stuff that you really need to know, right? The agent does literally everything for you, even up to booking a call. So all you need to do is just monitor it from time to time. If needed, interfere. And that's it. Now, if you do not like all of this AI agent stuff, AI SDRs, and want to still do everything like in the good old times, sending emails yourself and personalizing emails with AI, but still being in full control over the whole process, I suggest taking a look at this video where I go over how to set up mailboxes automatically and start sending out emails in no time.